Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Sourav. I am a data scientist. In this video, I am going to explain how you can start learning data science. If you are new in this channel, please make sure you have subscribed this channel to get regular updates. If you want to be a data scientist, the first and most important thing is you should know at least one programming language. And that is because in your data science journey, you have to build multiple machine learning model. And to build a machine learning model, you have to use one programming language. And for data science, the preferable programming language is Python or R. And also I will recommend you to go through at least the basic of data structure and the algorithm. Because without having good knowledge about basic data structure and algorithm, you can't be able to write a good program, or you will feel very difficulty to optimize your machine learning model. And the next thing is you have to have good knowledge about essential statistic for data science. You can start with the descriptive statistic. Inside descriptive statistic, you will find two things. One is measure of central tendency, another is measure of variability. Inside measure of central tendency, you will find mean, median and mode. And inside measure of variability, you will find variance, standard deviation and range. And then you can start the inferential statistic. Inside inferential statistic, you will find entropy function and information gain. After having good knowledge on all those topics, then you can start learning different kind of sampling technique in statistics. You will find random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, all those things. And then you can start learning different kind of hypothesis testing. This is very much important topic in statistics. We have majorly two types of hypothesis testing. One is null hypothesis, another is alternate hypothesis. Also, you have to learn what is p-value, what is level of significance, what is type 1 error, what is type 2 error, all those things. After having good knowledge on basic statistics, then you can start learning the essential mathematics for data science. The most important part in mathematics is the probability, specifically the conditional probability. Then after having good knowledge on the probability, you can start learning different kind of probability distribution function, like as Bernoulli distribution, normal distribution, Gaussian distribution, all those things. And then you can slowly start learning the linear algebra part, specifically different kind of matrix operation, eigenvalue, eigenvector, all those things. And at the end, you can go through the differential calculus part as well. In data science journey, data scientists use a different kind of visualization tool. So after that, you can start learning Power BI or Tableau. These two are more powerful visualization tool data scientists uses. Also, Python provide different kind of library, visualization library, like as Matplotlib, Seaborn. So using all those library, we can easily plot, graph and chart. Then you can start learning database management system. Because whenever you will be working as a data scientist, sometimes you have to pull some data from different data source, whether it is SQL or NoSQL. And for that, you have to have knowledge about the fundamental of database management system. After having knowledge about all those topics, now you can start learning machine learning algorithms. In machine learning, we have three types of techniques. One is supervised machine learning, second one is unsupervised machine learning techniques, and third one is reinforcement learning. Inside supervised machine learning techniques, you will find two types of problem. One is regression problem, second one is classification problem. In regression, we have linear regression techniques, we have logistic regression techniques, and in classification, we have multiple algorithms like as SVM, support vector machine, naive-based classifier, random forest, decision tree, all those things. Also, we have few ensemble techniques as well, like as bagging, boosting, random forest, all those things. Let's start your data science journey. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel. See you in next video.